I only got like a minute left on my camera right now, so I'm trying to make a quick little video. If you guys can see. Yeah, let's get over here.
Where are the turtles?
I don't know where the turtles are. See if they can see the piggies.
Yeah, the piggies. Oh wow, this is crazy.
There's a llama, right?
Yeah.
A llama?
But it's kind of like they are fighting.
Maybe they're fighting over food?
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. No.
All right, guys.
Oh, bye.
You want to say bye? All right, we got a few seconds left. We just want to make a quick trip. Bye, guys.